What sound is this? Very good. A sound clap. How about this? And this? And this? A. Very good. And this? Very good. How about this one? Should I tell you a story?
Yes.
There came a little boy whose name is Robert. The boy's name is what? Robert. Now Robert has a puppy. Robert has a puppy. You know what a puppy is?
Yes.
What is a puppy?
Dog.
Dog, a baby dog. Very good. Clap for yourself. A sound clap. So Robert has a puppy by name Rex. The puppy's name is Rex. The puppy's name is what?
Rex.
Rex is a naughty dog that he destroys everything around. If Rex gets your book, he will destroy it. If he gets your shoes, he will destroy it. Everything Rex comes around, he destroys it. If you keep your book, Rex will tear your book. He will destroy your book. He will destroy everything. If you keep your shoes, Rex will destroy it. On a certain day, Rex was looking for what to destroy as usual. So Robert had to get a rag for him. A rag. So he wouldn't destroy useful items. He got him a rag. So Rex grabbed the red rag and then destroyed as usual. He used his teeth and tore it. He grabbed the red rag and did what? Again. That is the sound we will learn today. Here is the letter that makes the sound. So whenever you come across this letter, you should blend it as. Whenever you come across this letter, you should blend it as what? As. Now think of a word that has sound. Do you know any word that has sound? Rabbit. Very good. Rabbit. A sound clap for her. Kristen. Rats. High five. Rats. Let's blend rats, everybody. Very good. Kudos. Which other one? Red. High five. Red. Let's blend red. Very good. Kudos. And that's power. Rug. Very good. Give him a sound clap. How do we write this sound? How do we write it? At a point. Move down. Move up again. And a robot arm. A robot arm. That's the way you write sound. At a point. Move down. Move up again. And a robot arm. Move down. Move up again. And a robot arm. Let's study these words, okay? If it has sound, say yay. If it doesn't, you say no. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
The word rabbits. Rabbit. Are you sure?
Yes.
So when do we have sound in the word rabbit? Is it at the beginning or at the end? Beginning. Very good. A sound clap. How about the word red? Look at this. Puppy.
No.
Very good. Clap for yourself. A sound clap. How about book? Book.
No.
Very good. Maybe did you say yay? How about the word Rex?
Yes.
Clap for yourselves. A sound clap. Let's take vowel consonant blend. If you think you know the sound, shouting out. What sound is this again? How about this? Now let's blend. Now put it together. Re. Let's go again. Clap for yourself. A sound clap. Now, what if we put them together? Ra. Very good. Say ra. 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 How about this? What if I put them? R. R. How about this? Again. Again. Very good. And these? If I put them like this? Raise. Very good. Clap for yourself. A sound clap. And again. What na fe kuye this boy ye mechiano. What na fe kuye this boy ye mechiano. I'm going to know about this boy. And in fact, kusi mechiano ebe no. Blend again. And so this one and no are together. So we'll take them together. It is successive blending. Do you understand? Now listen. And now put it together. Again. Again. Very good. A sound clap. Now let's take the second one. You will take these two together. Okay? Let's go again. Again. Put it together. Again. Very good. Very good. Look at this. Give yourselves a sound clap. Now let's take the next one. You will blend it together because they are together. They are written together. Yes. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now let's blend again. Apple. Again. Again. Now put it together. Rape. 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 Let's blend again. Rape. Again. Egg. Again. Very good. Red. Very good. Now blend. Very good. Kudos. Very good. Good. Red. Now number 5. This is consonant blend. Say cur. What sound is this? And this one. So put it together. Cur. 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 Now let's blend. Cur. 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 Okay, so let's blend the words on the screen again. Number 1, and ran. Number 2, at rats. Then number 3, ape, rape, rape. Again, rape. Number 4, ed, red, ed, red. Then number 5, we have consonant blend. So we take the first initial consonants together. Cr, 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 s, cr, s, cress. Again, cress. And number 6, ant, rent. Again, rent. Number 7, cur, asp, cur, asp, crisp. Again, crisp. Then number 8, per, per. That's another consonant blend. Cur, cur. Ace. Sorry, number 8, per. Ain't, ain't, print. Again, print. Again, print. Now the sentence, let's read just number 1. A red rag. You can blend the words in your heart before you now pronounce. A red, red, rag. A red rag. Okay. So from Teacher Mary Jane today, you've learned, I told you a story about Robert and his puppy. I'm sure you remember the story. And then the name of the puppy. What is Robert's puppy's name again? What is his puppy's name again? I hope you still remember that. Then we also learned how to form letter R, that is sound R. So whenever you come across this sound, you should blend it very well. All right. Look around you. There are some words written on books, written on posters. You should try blending them. Okay. So keep watching Teacher Mary Jane's class for more reading tips, for more literacy lessons, for numeracy lessons, for DIY lessons, and all whatnot. All right. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, and watch out for the next lesson. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.